I'm 58 years old. I've been a sleep doctor for over 26 years, and I sleep better today than I did in my 30s. Deeper, longer, more peaceful. That usually surprises people because we're taught that sleep only gets worse with age. You wake at 2 or 3 a.m., your mind starts racing, your body feels alert even though you're exhausted. You wonder if this is just part of getting older. I used to hear that fear in my patients' voices every day. Here's what I've learned after decades in clinics and sleep labs. It's not just stress, and it's not just habits. It's biology, and biology responds to what you eat. The right foods help your brain release melatonin, calm nighttime cortisol, and keep blood sugar steady so you stay asleep. No pills, no tricks, just 5 simple foods. And food number 1 is the one almost everyone overlooks. Food number 5 is moringa leaves. Most people think of expensive supplements when they want better sleep, but this simple green leaf has been supporting human health for generations. I began paying closer attention to it years ago, when I noticed how many of my patients were low in magnesium. Magnesium is one of the most important minerals for sleep because it helps your muscles relax and tells your nervous system that it is safe to slow down. When magnesium is low, the body stays slightly tense. Your legs feel tight, your jaw clenches, your heart feels like it never fully settles. Moringa contains natural magnesium that gently supports that relaxation process without forcing it. But relaxation is only part of the story. After 50, inflammation quietly increases in the body. You may not see it, but you feel it. Light sleep, more aches, more tossing and turning. Moringa is rich in antioxidants, which help calm that internal irritation. When inflammation goes down, the brain feels safer. And when the brain feels safe, it allows you to move into deeper sleep stages more easily. There is another reason I recommend this plant, especially to people in their 50s and 60s. Blood sugar becomes more unstable with age because insulin sensitivity declines. That small shift is enough to wake you at 3 a.m. Your blood sugar drops slightly, stress hormones rise to correct it, and suddenly you are wide awake staring at the ceiling. It feels like anxiety, but it is often biology. Moringa supports healthier blood sugar balance, which means fewer sudden cortisol spikes in the middle of the night. And cortisol is the key here. At night, cortisol should be low. If it stays high, your brain stays alert. Some early research suggests moringa may help the body regulate stress hormones more smoothly. In my own routine, I have found it helps my body shift into a calmer state in the evening. Not sedated, not heavy, just steady. The best part is how simple it is to use. I drink moringa tea about an hour before bed, just a warm cup. Sometimes I add a small spoon of moringa powder to a smoothie earlier in the day. Nothing complicated, no strict schedule, just consistency. That is what matters. You do not need extreme changes to sleep better. You need small, steady signals that tell your body it is safe to rest. Moringa is one of those signals. And if you think that is powerful, wait until you hear about food number 4. Food number 4 is black garlic, a simple ingredient with surprising effects on the body and sleep. Unlike regular garlic, black garlic is fermented, which transforms its compounds and creates powerful antioxidants, especially S-allylcysteine. These compounds do more than protect your cells. They gently support your heart by improving circulation. Better circulation means oxygen and nutrients reach your brain and muscles more efficiently, helping you drift into deeper, more restorative sleep. Many people overlook this link, but when your cardiovascular system functions smoothly, sleep quality rises naturally. It's a subtle but significant change that becomes more important as we age and circulation slows. Black garlic also has a hidden connection with your gut. The fermentation process encourages a healthier microbiome, which directly influences the gut-brain axis. A balanced gut can help regulate mood, calm stress responses, and even reduce nighttime restlessness. When inflammation rises with age, as it naturally does, your nervous system can become more reactive, keeping you awake or tossing you from one sleep stage to another. The anti-inflammatory properties of black garlic help quiet that nervous system, creating an internal environment that feels safe for the body to rest. I recommend adding just a small clove to dinner. You do not need large amounts or complicated recipes. One simple change like this signals your body that it is time to restore itself. Over time, the cumulative effect of these small adjustments can be profound. Your body begins to feel lighter, calmer, and more synchronized with its natural sleep rhythms. You may not notice it immediately, but after a week or two, the difference is clear. Falling asleep is easier, midnight awakenings are fewer, and mornings feel less groggy. What makes black garlic especially compelling is that it works quietly. It's not a sedative or stimulant. It is a hidden superfood that supports the systems controlling sleep, from circulation to inflammation to gut health. Many overlook it, focusing on pills or trendy supplements, but this simple fermented clove offers a scientifically grounded, low-risk way to optimize rest while supporting overall health. And yet, while black garlic is powerful, it is only part of the puzzle. Its benefits are remarkable, but none of that compares to food number 3, when it comes to naturally boosting melatonin and signaling your body that it is ready for deep restorative sleep. Food number 3 is pistachios, a small nut with an outsized impact on sleep. What makes them remarkable is their natural melatonin content. Unlike synthetic supplements, the melatonin in pistachios works in harmony with your body, gently signaling that it is time to rest. This is especially important as we age because natural melatonin production begins to decline, leaving many of us waking in the middle of the night or struggling to fall asleep. Eating pistachios can help fill that gap in a way that feels safe, natural, and nourishing rather than artificial. But melatonin is only part of the story. Pistachios are rich in healthy fats, which help stabilize blood sugar levels throughout the night. That means fewer sudden awakenings caused by low blood sugar spikes or cortisol surges. Your body stays balanced while your mind and muscles settle into deeper sleep stages. In addition, pistachios contain magnesium and vitamin B6, both of which support neurotransmitters like GABA and serotonin, calming the nervous system and preparing the brain for restorative rest. These nutrients work together subtly, yet powerfully, to create an environment where falling asleep and staying asleep is more natural. Portion control matters, though. A small handful in the evening is sufficient. You don't need large quantities to benefit. This small, mindful practice signals your body that it is time to slow down and relax. It also creates a comforting ritual, something you look forward to, without feeling restrictive or complicated. I often recommend this to patients who are hesitant about supplements, but want a practical food-based solution that feels enjoyable rather than clinical. What I love about pistachios is that they combine several sleep-supporting mechanisms in one whole food. They replace the need for multiple pills by addressing melatonin deficiency, blood sugar stability, and neurotransmitter support simultaneously. This is the kind of simple, yet effective strategy that respects your body's biology instead of forcing it with chemicals or synthetic fixes. You begin to feel more in control of your sleep because you understand how to work with your body, not against it. And the results are subtle, but undeniable. Nights become calmer, and mornings feel lighter. You don't just sleep, you recover. You nurture your system with food that is familiar, accessible, and scientifically grounded. Pistachios may seem ordinary, but in the context of restoring healthy sleep patterns, they are quietly transformative. If you thought that was powerful, wait until you see the next food, which stabilizes your system in a completely different way, targeting another hidden trigger that can silently sabotage your rest. Food number 2 is purple sweet potato, a vibrant, naturally sweet food that does far more than taste good. Many people worry about carbohydrates at dinner, but these complex carbs are different. They are slow digesting, which means they gently raise serotonin levels in the brain without spiking blood sugar. Serotonin is the precursor to melatonin, the hormone that tells your body it is time to rest. By supporting this natural pathway, purple sweet potatoes help your brain prepare for deep, restorative sleep in a way that feels completely natural. The color of this food is not just beautiful, it signals a high content of anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that reduce oxidative stress. As we age, oxidative stress quietly accumulates, contributing to inflammation and lighter, more fragmented sleep. Eating foods rich in anthocyanins helps to counteract that stress, creating an internal environment that allows your nervous system to relax more fully at night. This is particularly important after 50, when the body's ability to manage cellular stress begins to decline. Blood sugar stability is another key benefit. Many people wake in the middle of the night because their glucose drops and cortisol rises to compensate. Purple sweet potatoes release their energy slowly, helping maintain steady blood sugar levels overnight. This keeps both your body and brain calmer, reducing sudden awakenings that leave you staring at the ceiling. It's a small change at dinner that can make a huge difference in the quality of your rest. The timing is simple. A small portion with dinner is enough. You don't need a large serving, just enough to provide the gentle serotonin boost and slow-release energy that your body can convert into melatonin. Pairing it with protein and healthy fats further stabilizes blood sugar and supports a steady transition into sleep. Over time, these small, thoughtful adjustments compound, helping your body reestablish its natural rhythm without any pills or complicated routines. What I love about purple sweet potatoes is how easy and comforting they are. It's not a supplement or a medical intervention. It's a food you can enjoy at the table, adding color, flavor, and science-backed sleep support to your evening. It turns dinner into a small ritual of restoration, sending clear signals to your body that it is safe to relax. And as effective as this is, it is only one piece of the puzzle. Each food works with a different part of your biology, supporting sleep from multiple angles. And finally, food number one is the one I rely on most consistently, the cornerstone of my evening routine that ties all these benefits together and makes sleep feel effortless night after night. Food number one is bone broth, and it is my personal favorite for winding down in the evening. What makes it so powerful is its high glycine content, an amino acid that gently lowers your core body temperature, a natural signal for your body to prepare for sleep. As the temperature dips, your nervous system senses safety, allowing you to drift into deep, restorative sleep with less effort. I've seen this effect in patients and in myself. Just a small cup 60 to 90 minutes before bed can make a noticeable difference in how quickly sleep comes and how solid it feels through the night. Beyond temperature regulation, bone broth supports the gut lining and provides collagen, which becomes increasingly important as we age. The intestinal barrier can become more permeable, contributing to inflammation and restless nights. Nourishing your gut with bone broth helps calm that internal environment, reducing inflammation and creating a foundation for better sleep. The act of sipping a warm liquid also functions as a ritual, a psychological cue that it is time to slow down. The warmth is comforting, the routine predictable, and together they tell your brain, it's safe to relax now. This combination of biology and ritual creates what I call an upward spiral of sleep. One night of deeper, uninterrupted rest improves energy the next day. That energy supports better choices in movement, nutrition, and stress management, which in turn reinforces more restorative sleep the following night. The effect compounds over time. When you start stacking 2 or 3 of these foods, bone broth with purple sweet potato or pistachios, you begin to notice a real change. Integrate all 5 consistently, and the transformation is clear. Sleep becomes easier, more refreshing, and more reliable. It's important to remember that none of these foods are miracles on their own. The magic comes from supporting your biology across multiple pathways simultaneously. You're not failing at sleep, and you're certainly not just getting old. Your body's systems need support, and with simple, science-backed nutrition, you can shift the trajectory. Better sleep restores your energy, your focus, and your overall resilience, creating momentum that affects every aspect of your life. Night by night, choice by choice, you build a pattern that reinforces itself. When you adopt these habits, you also experience an identity shift. You stop seeing yourself as someone whose sleep is inevitably declining. Instead, you see yourself as someone capable of influencing your biology, someone who takes deliberate steps to improve rest and, by extension, daily performance. This perspective alone can reduce anxiety around bedtime and increase your confidence in making choices that sustain health. Small, consistent actions lead to meaningful results, and that is both empowering and hopeful. If you want to take this a step further, the next video I'll share covers 3 evening habits that amplify the effects of these foods, creating a sleep routine that works with your body rather than against it. Start with these 5 foods, practice them consistently, and watch how your nights and days transform. Sleep is not a lost battle. It is a skill, a rhythm, and a series of small, deliberate actions that, over time, create an upward spiral of health and vitality.